Hello, how to solve for x and y in this equation x plus y is equal to 30, xy is equal to 30. Solution. X plus y is equal to 30. Let's call this equation 1. Xy is equal to 30. Let's call this equation 2. Then from equation 1, x plus y is equal to 30. Let's make y the subject of the formula. Y is equal to 30 minus s. Let's call this equation 3. Also from equation 2, xy is equal to 30. Let's substitute for y. Here we have x bracket 30 minus x is equal to 30. S multiplied by 30, this is 30x minus s multiplied by x, s square is equal to 30. We have minus s square plus 30x. If you bring this 30 to this side, become minus 30 is equal to 0. Now let's divide all through by minus 1. Minus s square divided by minus 1. This will give you s square plus 30x divided by minus 1. This is minus 30x. Minus 30 divided by minus 1. This is plus 30 is equal to 0. And this is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula. S is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. And from this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 30, c is equal to 30. Then here we have discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is equal to minus 30 square minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30 and equal to minus 30 square. Minus 30 square, this is 900 minus 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 30, that is 120. Then discriminant d is equal to 900 minus 120, that is 780. Therefore, our equation becomes x is equal to minus bracket minus 30 plus or minus square root of 780 over 2 multiplied by 1. Then x will be equal to minus multiplied by minus 30. This is 30 plus or minus square root of 780 over 2. Then s will be equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 780 can be written as square root of 4 multiplied by 195 over 2. Then x is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 195 over 2. S is equal to 30 plus or minus square root of 4 is 2 root 195 over 2. Then s is equal to 30 over 2 plus or minus 2 over 2, then root 195. 2 here 1, 2 here 15, 2 here 1, 2 here 1. S will be equal to 15 plus or minus square root of 195. Therefore, h1 is equal to 15 plus square root of 195, and x2 is equal to 15 minus square root of 195. These are the values of x. We can check to confirm. To solve for y, then from equation 3, y is equal to 30 minus x, then y1 is equal to 30 minus x is 15 plus root 195. y1 will be equal to 30 minus 15 minus root 195. y1 is equal to 30 minus 15. This is 15 minus root 195. This is the values of y1. Also, y2 is equal to 30 minus s2. Then y2 will be equal to 30 minus s2 is 15 minus square root of 195. y2 is equal to 30 minus 15 plus square root of 195. y2 will be equal to 15 plus square root of 195. This is the value of y2. Therefore, our final answers are s1, y1 is equal to 15 plus square root of 195, 15 minus square root of 195. Also, s2, y2 is equal to 15 minus square root of 195, 15 plus square root of 195. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.